Hello, today you will learn about.
As a beginner learning the French language, one of the most important expressions you need to study and know is how to express yourself about where you are going. For example, you go to work, to class and at home. How can you express it in French? In this episode, we will learn to say where we are going by first using the verb to go or
aller.
in French in the present tense, then know the different prepositions that indicate where we are going and end with a little test that will allow us to understand much more. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's review together how the verb
Aller.
is conjugated in the present tense.
Le verbe aller au présent. Je vais, tu vas, il ou elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils ou elles vont.
Please repeat after me.
Je vais, tu vas, il ou elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils ou elles vont.
I go, you go, he, she, it goes. We go, you go, they go. In the
Nous,
and.
vous.
The S of the pronoun is linked to the following vowel sound and pronounced like a Z. To express that you are going somewhere in French, you must use the correct form of the present tense of the verb
Aller.
and the preposition
A.
The preposition
A.
must change form before the masculine definite or plural definite article that accompanies the noun. The various combinations of
Aller.
plus
A.
are as follows.
Aller.
Plus
A.
no definite article, plus city name. It means to go to. For example,
Nous allons à Paris.
we are going to Paris. Then,
Aller à la.
this means to go to the feminine place. For example,
Je vais à la plage.
I'm going to the beach.
Aller à. Plus l'apostrophe.
It is used before a vowel or an H. For instance,
Je vais à l'école.
I'm going to school.
Aller. Au.
Indicates to go to the. To talk about masculine place. Example,
Je vais au cinéma.
I'm going to the cinema.
Aller. Au.
Refers to go to the. Before plural places. Example,
Je vais au magasin.
I'm going to the stores.
Aller. En.
Signifies to go to. A country or region. For example,
Alice va en France.
Alice is going to France. And the last,
Aller chez.
means to go to someone's place. For instance,
Nous allons chez notre ami.
We are going to our friend's place.
let's start our test on today's lesson to see you understood correctly.
I hope that this episode was useful to you,
and that it allowed you to understand how the preposition functions when placed behind the verb to go in French. Thank you for watching and see you soon for a new episode.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.